Unit 9, Mixed Review, number 4. Customers at a store earn reward points. They get points for checking in and for each dollar spent. The table below shows the relationship between the number of dollars spent and the total number of reward points. The type of relationship that exists between the number of dollars spent and the number of reward points is, and we can see in our answer choices we're looking for, is it multiplicative or additive to start off with? And so we got to figure out the relationship here. Remember, we go from one category to the other. So we're going to go from 5 to 15. How does a 5 become a 15? Well, that could be times 3, or it could be plus 10. So we check beyond that. So is 23 times 3 going to be 33? I doubt it, but we'll check just in case. 69, absolutely not. So not times 3. But how about plus 10? 23 plus 10 is 33. So that looks good. I'm going to check another one just in case. 18 plus 10 is 28. And so looks like we found our rule. They are adding 10. That means this is an additive, which takes out answer choice A and answer choice C. And now it comes down to the reason. B, an additive relationship because the pattern is to add 10, that sounds like what we figured out, to the number of dollars spent in order to get the total reward points. Sounds right to me, but let's check D. The additive relationship because the number of dollars spent is less than the number of reward points. That doesn't seem right, because that would be true if it was additive or multiplicative. The thing that makes it additive is that we are adding 10. So D is out. Correct answer is B.